It may not look like it right now, but Shib is actually on the verge of a very big breakout. We keep talking about it time and time again. There's a formation that's playing out perfectly right now that people need to be aware of. There is one thing that we're waiting for specifically, which I'll get to in just a moment. But looking at the Shib chart yesterday, another great recovery day along with the rest of the crypto market, moved 11%. Same thing as BTC. Ethereum made a nice move as well. You guys can see that Ethereum daily candle was about 14%. So we kind of moved along with everything. I conveniently actually have an alert set right at the top of this spike that we hit. Now we've gone on a little correction along with everything else, not surprising at all. And in fact, Shib has bounced back almost 33% from the bottom of this wick to the top of yesterday's candle. So we've made some massive moves up from the very bearish state that Shib was in just the other day. Now, what we're kind of waiting for here is for Ethereum. Ethereum right now is in a very, very oversold range. It's not oversold on the RSI, right? But this is a very low price compared to what we've been talking, compared to the gravity of spot Ethereum ETFs, compared to the gravity of what whales are doing. ETH is going to try to make a move here. ETH is going to try to get back up to this consolidation of its moving averages. Frankly, it's going to try to test its 200-day up here around $3,100. And that's probably where ETH is going to start to make its extension and try to push back towards like $3,400. All right. Now, why that's important and why I'm referencing that is this is a perfect formation for Shib for an extended W. Okay. We have our drop, right? Here's our bounce back, drop down a little bit lower low here. But this is essentially our launch pad, our launch point. And Shib broke back into the gift zone yesterday. We're testing the bottom of this gift zone right now today. And frankly, this is where Shib is kind of loading up for that next slingshot move. Okay. We're going to basically go up and try to test the bottom of this box if Ethereum can make its move up to its moving averages. And then frankly, if Ethereum can get enough extension up to that 3,400 range, we're talking about Shiba Inu trying to break this 4020 range. And this is where it looks like Shib has the potential to make its full reversal. Okay. Just as we had our break box back here, this is where Shib's launch point was. And unfortunately, we just had, negative event, overall market correction. We just kind of continue to drop down. Shib has a similar break box right up in here. Okay. Now, the interesting thing about this is Shib's break box in this range, it's already happening at a breakout. I should have actually made a copy of this, but basically Shib's break box here is going to be somewhere in this range. All right. If Shib can enter this zone and extend to the upside here, frankly, the big thing we got to break is 4021, because that was our support range of support back here as we were doing our drop down. Okay. Our consolidation. If we can break this break box and break this resistance here, we have a pretty clear run all the way up to 4024, 4025, 4026, somewhere in that range. All right. Now, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. And I wish my dogs would stop fighting in the office here. Calm down, guys. But this may be our next trajectory for Shiba Inu. And what you need to remember is that a lot of this resistance along the way here, a lot of this Shib that was initial liquidity in this range, it's been removed. Okay. There was a lot of accumulation that was done during this time. Remember, people have been buying and buying and buying. You guys have been buying. I have been buying. Whales have been buying. Entities have been taking this Shiba Inu and removing it from exchanges. And there is now less resistance on the way up. When things do start moving, they're going to move very, very quickly. Just again, look at yesterday. Shib, one of the better green candles on the day, 11%. Very, very nice move for Shib. But that's not even the largest candle we have seen recently. This slingshot move is a big one, and people need to just make sure they're really prepared for it. Yes, we've talked about this before. Yes, we've talked about breakouts when it comes to Shib, and unfortunately, the market dynamics haven't been enough to allow this to happen. But when we do start getting more and more pieces of good news, when we deal with more short liquidations, when the market just starts to have a little more positivity, like we talked about yesterday, things are going to take off very, very quickly. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below about when this will happen. Right now, it's looking like it may take place at some point this month. Obviously, we've just gotten into August. We have a lot of time left. We have a CPI report coming. We have a PCE report coming later this month. So there's still some things that can be nice, positive catalyst for the upside. And really, frankly, when we do start seeing some more positive flows from spot Ethereum ETFs, that could be a big trigger for this to take place as well. I forgot to show that on the charts, but I appreciate, excuse me, I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.